How to find someone on Snapchat without username or number. If you want to find someone on Snapchat without their username or phone number, here are a method you can try. First of all, use Quick Add feature. Open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once inside the Snapchat app, all you have to do is tap on the friend plus icon available there at the top right corner of your screen. You can see friend request icon available there and simply tap on it. Snapchat suggests friends based on mutual contacts and locations as well. Scroll down the quick add section and look through the suggested list and add people you recognize. If you have mutual friends on Snapchat, they are more likely to appear here. Or you can simply tap on the all contacts option available at the top right corner of your screen. Then all you have to do is tap on the see more and scroll down and you can see all the contacts. If the person number is linked to the Snapchat, their profile will appear. This method only works if their number is saved in your phone contacts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.